Hello and welcome to Zootastic. I'm Mark and I'm absolutely thrilled to take you on another journey into the fascinating world of our amazing animal residents today. And today we're mentally traveling to the dry savannas and deserts of North Africa, or rather, we're visiting one of the most imposing and fastest birds in the world right here at the Allwetterzoo Muenster in Germany. Hold on tight, it's going to be big, it's going to be fast, and definitely a master of the African steppe. We are talking about the North African red-necked ostrich. It's not only the largest bird on Earth, but also an animal of impressive strength and with amazing survival strategies. But what exactly makes this running bird so unique and so special? So let's take a closer look. The North African red-necked ostrich, scientifically known as Struthio camelus, is one of several subspecies of the African ostrich. It's the largest and heaviest bird in the world and can reach a height of up to 2.7 meters, and for my other friends about 9 feet, and weigh over 150 kilograms or 330 pounds. Its most striking feature is his long bare neck and long legs, which give it an excellent view over the savanna. The plumage of the male is predominantly deep black with striking white tail and wing feathers. The female's plumage is rather inconspicuously grey-brown, which provides perfect camouflage for breeding. Particularly noticeable, especially during the breeding season, is the vibrant red coloration of the neck, thighs and legs in the males. On its feet, it has only 2 toes, which distinguishes it from other flightless birds and helps it achieve its impressive speed. And these fascinating flightless birds are native to the savannas, grasslands and semi-deserts in North Africa. They can be found in the Sahel region and on the fringes of the Sahara Desert. There, they are perfectly adapted to life in these dry and open landscapes. They are social birds and often live in groups that can consist of a dominant male, several hens and their chicks, and these groups are often nomadic, wandering in search of food and water. But how do these robust animals actually live together, and what makes their way of life so special? And this is one of the most fascinating characteristics of the North African red-necked ostrich. They are diurnal and spend most of the day foraging for food. Their escape strategy is legendary. When in danger, they not only flee, but can also reach a speed of up to 70 kilometers per hour or 43 miles per hour. They can maintain this speed over long distances, making them faster than most of their potential predators. They also possess an incredible defensive potential. A kick from their powerful 2-toed feet can kill a lion, and this makes them one of the most dangerous opponents in the savanna. And their impressive legs are therefore not only indispensable for flight, but also for fighting. And isn't that incredibly clever and efficient? Well, a super interesting fact about the North African red-necked ostrich is its eyes. A single ostrich and the egg is already the largest bird egg in the world. But did you know that an ostrich's egg, no, this time it's the eyes, they also break records? The eggs break records, but the eyes break records too. With a diameter of almost 5 centimeters, that's 2 inches, the eyes of an ostrich are the largest of any land animal. And they are even larger than its own brain. And these huge eyes are perfectly adapted to life in the savanna and give the ostrich excellent long-distance vision to spot predators like lions or hyenas from a great distance. And this ability is vital for survival in the open landscape as it finds little cover there. But what do these undemanding survivors actually eat? The North African red-necked ostrich is a herbivore that mainly eats grasses, herbs, leaves, flowers and seeds. Occasionally they also eat insects or small vertebrates, but they can survive for a long time without water as they get most of their fluids from their food. To digest the tough plant food, ostriches deliberately swallow stones, and these stones remain in the stomach and help grind the food. At the Allwetter Zoo Muenster, the ostriches naturally receive a diet specifically tailored to their needs, consisting of special ostrich pellets, fresh grass, leaves and vegetables. Yeah, when the zebras get carrots, there's every morning at 11 there's a zookeeper telling people about the animals in this, what I always call the Savannah flat share. And the zebras love the carrots, and they get fed with carrots. And you do see the ostriches come there and eat carrots too. Unfortunately, this subspecies of the North African red-necked ostrich is also highly endangered, and while the species as a whole is considered least concern, this specific subspecies is classified as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, that's the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The main threats are overhunting by humans, historically for their valuable feathers and today often for their meat and eggs, as well as the loss and fragmentation of their habitat due to agricultural use and human settlements. The population in the wild has declined dramatically, and the conservation of this specific subspecies is crucial for the genetic diversity of the ostrich. And at the Allwetter Zoo Muenster you can experience these impressive creatures up close and even have fun, as you can see in the video, when they have a bath in the sand and stuff like that. And at the moment we have also 3 chicks at the moment, and it was really impressive to see how fast they grow as well. In some parts of the video you will see them just a few days old. In other parts of the video I filmed them a few days ago, and they have grown that much already that when you see a single one of them you think, oh, is that a female? Oh no, it's a chick, because they're so big already. But it's really, really impressive. But I hope you have enjoyed this little dive into the life of the North African red-necked ostrich, and I really look forward to welcoming you again next time. We have so many more fascinating animals to see, and you know, on this channel I do not always show you the big and famous ones. I want you to know the tiny ones as well, and so I will talk about even the smallest lizard at the zoo, every fish at the zoo, every frog, but also, of course, the big ones like the elephants, the lions, the tigers. But I think they all deserve that we look at them. So see you soon, and stay animalistically curious.